Hello, my friends. In a previous episode, I show you how to embellish the spine of your journal using a twig and some thread and some dangles. This is a purpose twig. You can place here whatever you want, and it's going to give your journal a nice and original look on your shelf. Now, today, I'm going to show you another ways that you can use to embellish your twigs. So I have this one, and I have here this little pouch that I love, and I have all my crochet hooks here. This is my favorite one, and I'm going to show you how I can embellish, or you can embellish your twigs also using crochet hook. And also in this case we're going to use a tiny bit of yarn. So I have this yellow yarn. It's not too much, but we're going to do something with the twig. So here I'm starting with a knot, and I'm gonna be sliding down the yarn. But the thing is that you can also do it in a different way, so you can crochet around your twig. So you can come here and go up and then close it here, and this is going to give your twig or your little stick a beautiful look and original, and probably you haven't seen this before in crafts. So I love to be original in my projects. I love to create, and this is a new idea that you can use to embellish your twigs. So this is what I have, and I can come here, I can come back here. So this is just to let you know how it can look. But now let's do it seriously. So I was just practicing, and I didn't like this. So I'm gonna choose another piece or another yarn, and it's going to be pink. I have it somewhere here. It's right here. So I just have a tiny bit of this yarn, but doesn't matter. I want to show you how to do it. So you start here. You can start on any of the edges of your twig or your little stick, making a knot. So this is what we have. Another idea I did before was this one with dangles and with embroidery thread. So for this one I use this kind of thread, and today I'm using yarn. You can always use jute also. I can probably give you an example today so you can see how it looks like. So here I'm just gonna cut that we don't need, and I'm going just to stop here and to start crocheting this. So I'm just going to take my yarn just the way you do when you're doing a sweater or doing a doily or anything you're crocheting, and you're coming back here. Oh, this can happen. So make a double knot. I don't know what happened. Probably I cut it too short. All right, so we are not cutting, not editing, so I'm just gonna leave it like so. So you can also understand the problems that you can have when you are crafting. So it doesn't matter. Don't cut this too short because you know what can happen. And so you go here and you come down and take your yarn and you go all the way here. So this is the way you can do it. You go again. The distance is going to depend of what you want and how you want it. You can have this look bigger or shorter depending of what you want. So this is going to go there, and it can go back and forth. It can go down and then it can come back up again. Or you can just do one row and then come back and change or switch colors. And so you can have this. So this is the way it's coming out. And in order to finish, you can always apply some glue, so this is not gonna go anywhere. So now when you come back, you can always crochet on top of the first row you have already here. So what you can do is you can come here and do some chains, and then come here, and probably you can have like a tiny curtain or something. So you can come here. So literally I'm crocheting on top of the twig, you see. So here I just don't have any pattern for this. I'm just following my intuition and what the thread is telling me. And so we can just go here. Actually, we can do a half stitch also, so we can have like a wave or a petal here, and then we can grow again, so with half stitch and then a complete stitch. So I don't have, oh, that was cut, so it's okay. So the idea is for you to know that you can apply this technique and you can have something cool on your twig or your little stick. So this can go in here on my journal, this can go in the front or on the front of your cover, and you can actually start crocheting here, coming down 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 down, and do something really nice. So what I can do is I'm just gonna put this together because I have a tiny bit more of pink yarn, and I'm going to show you. This is the good thing, is this is not perfect. You just can go and follow your ideas. This doesn't have to be perfect. The more knots you have, the more thread around, rustic, and it's going to be nicer. So this is, you can always hide that if you want, or you can just leave it like so, and we can pull that in the back so we don't have it here, there, and look. All right, so we can go here. Let's do another wave, another petal, and then here half of the stitch, and then a complete one, or the double, a simple and double. That's the way probably you call it. So today is Monday, and I came out with this idea this morning. So I was going to get up, and suddenly I started thinking about these twigs around my desk that I collect the other day. And so I said, I need to do something with those guys there. And I hope you like the result. I hope you get motivation and ideas. And I hope you can do all this. All right, so here the sensation is weird. It's like having another, you know, when you knit, like having a needle knitting nails here or something. So it's kind of weird. Okay, so I'm finishing here with a flat knob, and that's what I have. Look, this is what I have, and I can always come back, or I can always go around, or I can just end this way. I take all the yarn out, and I'm going to finish it wrapping all the yarn I have left. In this case, I don't have too much yarn in this color, so I just can go here and wrap all of it around and then put it down. I want it to be very, very close, so I can go again. Yeah, I want to have it pretty close, so every time you go around, you press it to the previous one. So you can go this way, and make sure that you have enough so you can do your turn and your final knot. There, you can see. And the second one. Uh-oh, almost not going. Let me see. Okay, you twist it and then you close it really, really tight here. And that's the whole thing. So this is what I did today. You can always cut these little things here in the little beginning of the whole process, and we can always hang something from here. I guess I have something pink. Let me show you all the twigs around here. I have this one, And I have this one, it's still naked. I haven't started this one. And let me place something. I want something pink. Oh, probably I'm gonna go with this heart. I usually go more with gold, but I have a lot of silver things here in my treasure box. And I have this one. I remember I have this one. So let's go with this never give up, and let's go with the heart. So I hope this can go inside here. Yes, it is. It's going. Let me see if I can make it go there, or I just can look for a needle or something. This is not gonna be easy. Let me see from up, down. Okay, I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna post it the way it's coming out. So I have my needles here and a little scissors here, and I should be done this before, so I can go here, right, and there. Okay, it's easier actually with a needle because you go here and then you go around and make your O. So you go there, you see, you here, and so you go, you cross it, and then you come, and then you fix it there. You can do it again, and there it is. Never give up. And let's go with a tiny heart. So I don't think we need the needle anymore, but let's try. If I can't, then I go with the needle again. Yes, I guess I need to go with the needle. Ooh, I'm happy that someone invented the needle. So we go here, and I just can go all the way here. You see, there. We pass it here, take the needle out, and just do double knot here. I wasn't expecting this to come so cute. I really love it, and I'm gonna do a second knot. You can always use also your crochet hook to make your knot when your thread is too short or your yarn is too short, so this can always help. Okay, I have a messy thing here. I'm gonna start all over, so I'm gonna go around, come here, bring the yarn, and now it's there. Okay, this is not going to escape anywhere. Okay, right, I'm not gonna cut this. I'm just going to trim it a tiny bit, and then I'm going just to distress this little tips. All right, so this is what we have. I'm going to leave here just the finishing of the ones that are ready. So I have that. Just for today. I have this that is in my journal, and I have this twig here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below if you like it, and if this is giving you an idea for you to start your own creations with twigs or sticks. And remember, never give up. Subscribe to my channel, and you can hit the picture down here in this corner, and in that way you're going to be subscribing to my channel. And of course, remember to ring the bell. Bye bye, friends. Bye. I see you soon in my next episode. Bye bye, friends.